Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I am back with another Christmas limited edition for you, and it's the Christmas present box from Lookfantastic, and inside contains 7 beauty products, 5 of which are full size. It has a value of £150 and could be bought for £50. I'll pop a link to this box down below in my description. I do have 2 discount codes, Diary LF, which is a permanent code which can be used site-wide, and then Diary BB, which can be used on certain beauty boxes. But if not, and I can find a different code, then you will find it down below in my description, as well as 2 other Christmas editions that they've brought out. You may have already seen that I've unboxed the Christmas cracker, and there's also an extraordinary beauty box as well, which is the most expensive one at £60. You'll find a link to them all down there. So let's get on to showing you then what's inside the present. Christmas present, I should say. And give you a bit of a sneak peek. You're not going to see much, but there's a QR code here, so I will scan that. Oop. It gives me some information about the products and the cost. Plus there's one item that is a variation, which I'll leave until last. First up, we've got a full-size Colour Wow. This is extra large Bombshell Volumizer, and there's 195 mils here. And this retails for £24. I haven't tried this yet, and I've been seeing it everywhere, more so on TikTok, but I'm really excited to give it a go. And I have actually got it in my Lookfantastic basket. I've got a load of products that I've hearted. And yeah, this is one of them. So it says here, own the room, you don't need to say a word, your hair will speak volumes. Sexy, strong, big and glamorous. You're supposed to apply to damp hair, put 2 to 3 pumps into your hand and smooth through sections of the hair from top to ends. Continue until the hair is covered and then style as usual. I can't wait to try that. If you have got really thin, fine hair and you have tried this, I would love to hear what you think of it. So that's the first item. Next we've got LOM, and this is a foaming cream cleanser. There's 120 mils here. I'll just get it out the wrapper. To purchase this will cost you £50. So it's a pricey cleanser. I'm sure I've tried this before, but I get confused because I don't often get full sizes of the products in beauty boxes. It removes makeup, hydrates skin up to 12 hours after use. An enzyme originated from fermenting pumpkin helps soften and soothe. I'm sure I have. I am sure I have. I love cleansers. I've got quite the collection. I just love them, and I love trying new ones as well. So we've got a foaming cream cleanser there. I was going to try it on my hand, but it's just going to be a cream and it's going to be sticky, and then I'll have to wash it off. If it was a moisturiser, that's fine. I love applying moisturisers and serum to my hand, but yeah, anything sticky like a mask or stuff, nah. Never mind. Next we've got Rituals. This is the Ritual of Ayurveda Rejuvenating Body Scrub. This is Punjabi pink salt and sweet almond. And oh my gosh, I just realised, I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell, but the lid isn't on properly. It's fine, it's secure, and it's got a seal. Phew! But no, it wasn't on properly. This is full size and it retails for £18.90. I love the smell of this. Look at it, look at it, look. It is so lovely. It is so nice. I love it. It smells really fruity, but it's pink sea salt and sweet almond, yeah. Oh, it just smells of like tropical fruits, and clearly my scent is completely skewed, isn't it? But oh, I really like that. Next we've got bareMinerals. This is Maximist. This is a Phyto-Fiber Volumizing Mascara. This is full size and it retails for £23, and we've got it in Maximum Black. Apparently it has an orange peel formula. Oh, I wonder if it smells of oranges. It's supposed to add nourishing benefits and promote thicker, healthier lashes, and it's smudge proof as well. I've never tried this and I haven't smelt it, but that's the first thing I'm going to do. Oh, look! I just put it on my nose. No. No, it doesn't smell. Oh, I quite like that wand though. It's quite promising. Do you go for particular mascaras based on the wand? Because I used to, but since starting YouTube, that's just gone out the window, because all the mascaras which I thought I would hate, namely the ones which are just a wand with very fine or hardly there or hardly any bristles at all, most of them work wonders on my thin, fine, straight lashes. If the brush is too big, nah, it puts me off, because I've got quite small eyes and I've got, as I said, I've got very fine lashes and I don't want to cause a mess when I do it, especially my bottom lashes. Why do I keep on smelling it? It doesn't smell of orange, Claire. It doesn't smell. But yeah, anyway. We got Maximist mascara from bareMinerals there. We've got something for your brows. This is by West Barn Co. This is soap brows with a bamboo spoolie. This is full size and it retails for £15. There you go. I did a video, I remember years ago, few years ago. Lookfantastic ran a influencer campaign. They were looking to, I can't remember what they were called. They were looking to find, I don't know, say 10 different influencers from YouTube, Instagram, regardless of how many followers you had or your age or anything like that. They just wanted a few people to join their team so that they can promote some of their products and go to events and things like that. So I applied, and what you had to do to apply, you had to come up, this is before Reels came out, so this is a good couple of years ago. You had to make a really short, I think it was something like 15-second, could be 30, but I'm sure it's 15-second video of a beauty hack, a favourite beauty hack. Well, mine was soap brows and it's so cringy. It's over on my Instagram page somewhere. If you follow me over on Instagram, same name, Ayurveda Body Scrub, scroll down. You will see it there. But yeah, I wasn't accepted. Unfortunately. I was gutted. Absolutely gutted, but never mind. I work with them now, so I'm really grateful for that, but it just wasn't my time back then. So soap brows then, if you've never done it, if you've never used it before, you've got a little spoolie. Always bend it, it just makes it a lot easier to get the product. Wet your brush with water and just cover this brush with the soap, and you've got like a laminated effect basically. It's the original way to laminate your eyebrows. Keep them in place. Some soaps can make your eyebrows look really white and then you start peeling and you got bits coming off your eyebrows as if you got dandruff, so it's not good. There is particular ones like this one, for instance, that stop your brows from doing that. So yeah, so there's that. Next we've got something for your eyes. This is a deluxe size from Shiseido. This is the Ultimune Eye Power Infusing Eye Concentrate. There's 3 mils here. And this little size is worth £10. It can be used in the morning and at night. It contains a concentrated blend of active ingredients to help target dark circles and puffiness and fine lines. So yeah, even though it's really small, you only need a tiny dot really, as you know, for eye creams and stuff. You'll need a tiny bit and just pat it around your eyes like that. So there's that. So the last item in this box is a variation. You'll get the same brand but a different product. It's from Sol de Janeiro, and you'll either receive what I've got, which is Brazilian Crush Cheirosa 62. It's a pistachio and salted caramel perfume spray, and there's 30 mils here. Oh, I love this stuff. Absolutely love it. This is deluxe size and it is worth £10. I have to spray it. On me, spray it on me. Why am I spraying it into the air? It's just so gorgeous. So you'll either receive the perfume spray or you'll receive the Bum Bum Cream, which is a body moisturiser. It's an award-winning body moisturiser, if you weren't already aware, and that is also worth £10, and you get 25 mils in a pot. So yeah, so you'll either receive the Bum Bum Cream or the Fragrance Mist. And there you go, those are all the products in the Lookfantastic Christmas present beauty box. To recap, I'll just go through them all. We've got a Foaming Cream Cleanser from LOM. We've got a soap brows kit from West Barn Co. We've got an extra large Bombshell Volumizer from Colour Wow. We've got a Ritual of Ayurveda, a body scrub from Rituals. We've got a Maximist mascara from bareMinerals. We've got a Shiseido Ultimune Eye Concentrate and eye cream. And you'll either receive the perfume spray or the Bum Bum Cream from Sol de Janeiro. The box costs £50 and it has a value of £150. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you go for this one, or did you go for any of the other Christmas edits? Or are you watching this thinking, I don't know, shall I, shan't I? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.